Welcome to the best pick. Don't let cords hold you back from achieving the perfect curls on the go. Explore our top picks for cordless curling irons to set your hair free and style effortlessly wherever you are. Now let's take a look at the best cordless curling irons for on-the-go styling we choose for you. Number 4. Keep your curls on point with the stylish pink case that fits perfectly in your purse. With this cordless curler, you can easily style your hair anytime, anywhere, without worrying about bad weather. Powered by butane gas, this mini curling iron heats up quickly and curls immediately. The compact size of this curler makes it easy to carry in a small purse or travel case. Customers love this cordless curler for its portability, quick heating, and great results on fine, soft hair. What we like? If you are always on the go and need quick styling, this compact curling iron with butane power is the perfect choice for you. With its fast heat up time and small size, you can easily fit it in your purse for styling anytime, anywhere. What people say? The iron is easy to use and heats quickly. I can't tell you how good it is to not have a cord on my curling iron. The thermocells make it very hot and no cord. This was just what I needed for my curling iron. Fit perfect. Love these portable cartridges. Best thing to have, especially for people who travel. Plus these can be taken on an airplane. Number 3. This tiny styler is ultra lightweight and compact, weighing only 5.6 ounces. It's a magic wand for any stylish traveler. The curler gets hot super fast. In just 30 seconds you can start curling. It's convenient for on-the-go styling. For comfortable use, it has a stay cool tip on the end and a plastic wedge on the bottom to prevent the hot barrel from touching surfaces. It's a dual voltage curler, perfect for international trips. You can take it anywhere without worrying about voltage differences. It comes with a stylish travel pouch, perfect for keeping the curler safe and organized while on the go. What we like? If you are a frequent traveler and need a versatile styling tool, this dual voltage curling iron is ideal for you. With its quick heat up time, stay cool tip, and compact size, you can effortlessly style your hair on international trips with ease. What people say? It heats up high enough to provide a good curl. It weighs about 5.7 ounces, compared to my straight iron at 8.4 ounces, with another 2.7 ounces and 1.25 of curling surface. I'd rather have the length to curl my hair faster. It has heated plates on the outside of the barrel so you can curl as well as straighten. The best part is that the temp is low enough for my hair type. Most travel irons have a single setting of 380 or 400 degrees, but this one heats to 180, which is perfect for fine or damaged hair. Number 2. Forget about waiting. This cordless curling iron heats up rapidly for quick and easy styling, perfect for touch-ups while you're out and about. Achieve small, tight curls with ease using the 3/4 ceramic barrel, reducing frizz and creating a polished look for your hair. This device is super convenient and lightweight, making it easy to style your hair without the hassle of a cord, giving you the freedom to style anywhere, anytime. Produce ultra-high heat for professional styling on the go, making it easy to achieve salon-quality results wherever you are. Customers love the convenience and portability of this cordless curling iron, praising its quick heating, lightweight design, and the freedom to style without a cord. What we like? If you prefer professional styling on the go and want to avoid cords, this cordless curling iron with butane power and ceramic coating is a must-have. With its ultra-high heat and frizz-reducing ceramic barrel, you can achieve salon-quality curls without the hassle of cords. What people say? It's cordless and uses butane to heat it. There's only one setting for the heat, and it gets just as hot as a corded curling iron. It heats up fast, within a few minutes, and cools down much quicker than other irons. Easy to use, store, and travel with. The 3/4 barrel makes curls last all day. The butane cylinders are relatively inexpensive and last several months. Highly recommended for its portability and efficiency. Number 1. Heading on a long trip? Don't forget to bring along this travel smart curler powered by a butane gas cartridge. It's approved for airplane travel and can easily fit into your carry-on bag. With a fuel cartridge that lasts 3 to 4 weeks, this cordless butane ceramic curling iron is handy for touch-ups on the go. It warms up quickly and creates bouncy locks almost instantly. Equipped with a snap-on cover for protection, this device is approved safe for airline travel. The 3/4-inch ceramic-coated barrel ensures a smooth glide for effortless styling. Customers love how quickly this curling iron heats up to the desired temperature. It's lightweight, offers multiple heat settings, and the ceramic barrel is gentle on hair. Customers rave about the quick heating, lightweight design, and versatility of this curling iron. It's a must-have for those who want convenient styling on the go. What we like? If you are a frequent flyer and need a travel-friendly styling tool, this butane-powered curling iron approved for airline travel is the perfect choice. With its snap-on cover for safety and ceramic-coated barrel for smooth styling, you can achieve flawless curls on the go while complying with airline regulations. What people say. This is by far one of the best curling irons I have ever had. It heats up in 30 seconds, but I like to get mine a bit hotter, so I waited for 2 minutes to get the temperature to my liking. The best thing is that this iron cools down quickly, so I could pack it away in my suitcase right away. I have long, wavy, semi-thin hair and it curled very nicely. The curls held up nicely too. Very happy with purchase. I love this hair curler. It heats up quickly and for some reason, my hair is shinier when I use it. Great tool. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.